This is the OnePlus 10T 5G smartphone, and today we will show how you can enable the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. First of all, you gotta launch the General Settings app. In here, enter the Sound and Vibration category. Next, you gotta go for the Dolby Atmos section that is located at the very bottom of the page. Tap on it. Tap on this toggle in order to switch it on. Choose which profile you would like to use, so environment profile, or should I say the profile for the environment you have, so indoor, on the go, commute, flight, or the scenario specific profile, music, gaming, smart, and movie. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.